beauty on a suit, be tiptoeing at you if you're down for it. We got nothing else to do and nothing else to lose.
First of all, question 1. We have to find principal, rate, compound, and time. So we will get which option is better for Zara. So from the sentence, P equal to 62,000, R rate equal to 5.6 multiply 100, and we will get 0.056, M compound 12, and time 4. So we have to use the formula S1 equal to P1 bracket 1 plus K per M bracket MT. P1 62,000 bracket 1 plus K 0.056 per compound 12 bracket compound 12 and time 4. So we will get 77,525. Option 1 will give Zara a better choice as it has RM 2,526 more than option 2, or 77,526 minus 7,500, and we will get 2,526 more than option 2.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will be discussing question number 2. The question asks me to find the amount Hafiz deposit for the second time based on the information given. First of all, we need to identify a suitable topic for this question. We can see that the word savings appears in the question, which indicates that this is a compound interest problem. The formula used is S equals P 1 plus K per M MT. We need to identify the components in the formula, including the principal represented as P. We find that P is 2000 because the keyword in the question is deposit. Next, K is 6.4%, which we divide by 100 given 0.064. The way to find M is by looking at the part of the question that mentions compounded. In this question, it states compounded every 6 months. Since there are 12 months in a year, compounding every 6 months means it occurs 2 times per year. So M equals to 2. The value of T is 3, as stated in the question. Then, we substitute all the information into the formula and calculate it, and we obtain 2,416.6 cents. After that, we subtract this amount from 8,000 because he wants the total amount in the account to be 8,000 ringgit. The second step is to use the same formula as before, but with slight changes to T, S, and P. The value of S is the amount we obtained after the subtraction, which is 5,583.94 cents. The value of T is changed to 4 because it is 4 years after the second deposit, and the value we need to find is P. By substituting all the information into the formula, we obtain the answer, which is 4,314.13 cents. Then we will discuss question 3. First of all, this question used the formula S equals to P 1 plus K per M MT. The value of P is 5,200. The value of S is 11,347.28 cents. The value of M is 4 because the interest is compounded quarterly. The value of T is 5 because the time period is 5 years. The variable that we need to find is K. Next, we substitute all the given values into the formula and calculate. The value of K obtained is 0.0422. Since the answer is required in percentage form, we multiply it by 100. Therefore, the final answer is 4.22%. Meanwhile, question B used the same formula as question A. We only change the value of T from 5 to 3 and substitute the value of K obtained in part A. Next, the value of P, which was previously used and charged to 11,357.28 cents. After substituting all the values into the formula and calculating, we obtain the final answer, which is 12,817.20 cents.
Question A. Find the required monthly repayments. We have to find down payment 40 per 100 multiply 180,000. So we will get 72,000. 720,000 minus 72,000. So the amount of present value is 648,000. So we want to find required monthly repayment. We have to use formula A equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus K per M minus MT bracket. A is 648,000 equal to S bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus K 0.039 per M compound 12 bracket compound negative 12 bracket 25 and 0.039 per 12. We will get 648,000 equal to R bracket 1 minus 0.377891476 per 0.039 per 12. So we use calculator and calculate 648,000 bracket 0.039 per 12 equal R bracket 0.6222108524. The answer of R is 3384.704706. Question B. We take from the sentence 25 years multiply 12 months, so we will get 300. 300 minus 240, we will get the new T. So the new T is 60. R equal to 3384.70, K equal to 0.039, M equal to 12, T 60 per 12. So we use formula A equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus K per M minus MT per K per M bracket. So the formula 3384.70 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.039 per 12 bracket negative 12 bracket 60 per 12 per 0.039 per 12. We will get 3384.70 bracket 1 minus 0.8230948714 per 0.039 per 12. So the outstanding balance equal to 184,237.1658. Question C, we will use formula S equal to R bracket 1 plus K per M bracket MT per K per M minus 1. Use the formula 3384.70 bracket 1 plus 0.039 per 12 bracket 30 per 12 per 0.039 per 12 minus 1. We will get 3384.70 bracket 1.00978172 minus 1 per 0.039 per 12 bracket. He has to pay 10187.1367. Question 5. We have to find down payment first. So 50% per 100 multiply 36,500. So we will get 5,475. So remaining balance is we take from the sentence 36,500 minus 5,475. So we will get present value. Present value is 31,025. So we use the formula A equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus K per M bracket minus MT per K per M. So 31,025 equal to 518 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.054 per 12 bracket negative 12 per bracket X per 12 bracket per 0.054 per 12 bracket. So 31,025 divide 518 equal bracket 1 bracket 1 plus 0.054 per 12 bracket minus 12 bracket X per 12 bracket per 0.054 per 12 bracket. We will get 31,025 per 518 bracket 0.054 per 12 bracket equal to 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.054 per 12 bracket minus 12 bracket X per 12. The answer for this question is 61.332 divide 12. So we will get 5.11 years.